Some people are taking a look at multi-level marketing because they feel it does not need training and investment or a big quantity of expertise to be successful. Well, to put it merely, that is incorrect. Find out exactly what you don't know or may be lacking about network marketing in this article. As a network online marketer working as an employer, you will have to reveal and show the monetary capacities of exactly what you are doing. People cannot feel as if they're being utilized to pad your individual bank account. Show them examples of people who have actually earned money and how they can follow that course. Basically, MLM is an extension of conventional networking with individuals because it looks for to join individuals based upon talked word marketing. Network marketing is both time and cost effective because network marketers can pick items and slash or services and instantly share and transmit them with buddies, family, customers, and customers. Keep your positivity high when beginning in network marketing. It is much harder to remain positive than it is to be unfavorable. Nevertheless, it is necessary to your success. If you are getting stressed, picture the profits that you will be generating when you are a success. Believe it or not, you will get through these very early days. A brand new multi-level marketing opportunity will constantly be more profitable than a long-standing one. However, the older one will be more stable and likely to remain. You need to judge each opportunity as it comes on, whether it's economically practical and what its current credibility is, prior to you decide to join. Just like trading stocks, you need to identify exactly what risk you are willing to take in the past. Joining any multi-level marketing company, can you afford to take it on full-time or only part-time? At exactly what earnings point would you be able to quit your current job and take it over as an occupation? These are questions you must answer before enrolling in anything. Get a whiteboard and write your goals on it as a constant reminder of exactly what you are working for and of your long-term method. What is it you wish to get out of your company? Are you searching for financial security or wishing to purchase a brand new house? Help your team by setting goals for them and giving them an incentive for accomplishing them. Hold a contest to see who gets the most referrals in a month and reward the winner with some sort of prize like an iPad. Building motivation through rewards is an exceptional device for your collection. Confess the truth about multi-level marketing to enable your readers to trust you and feel comfy. When going over the failures some marketers deal with, instantly follow them up with how you have surmounted those hurdles. For example, talk about the truth that some marketers lie to obtain people to sign up, but rather your stringent policy of sincerity has only resulted in much better results. As specified before in the article above, multi-level marketing is an approach where workers are paid with sales and employment. Multi-level marketing creates a result where the longer you work and recruit, the more you are paid. The suggestions discovered in the post above may want to assist you implement an effective network marketing approach for your business.